Hi everybody, I thought we could play a game today where you have to use your ears and you have to listen. You're going to have to listen for what the sounds are and try and guess without seeing what it is. Do you think you would like to try that? Come on then. I wonder what noise this could be. Are you listening? Have you guessed? It's usually found in the kitchen. Did you guess right? Let's have a look. It's a kettle. Well done if you got that one right. I wonder what this sound is. Are you listening? This sound is usually found in a kitchen or in a bathroom. Have you guessed yet? Have a look. It's a tap with running water. Well done if you guessed right. I wonder what sound this is going to be. Are you listening? Did any of you guess? Did you? Sometimes in a bathroom. Let's have a little look, see if you're right. That's right, it's a toilet. And this is the picture in my toilet upstairs. I hope you guessed right. Well done if you did. I wonder what sound this one's going to be. Are you listening? That's right. We're in the bedroom. Here it is. It's a hairdryer. Oh, did you guess right? Did you? Well done if you did. I wonder what this sound is. Are you listening? Meow. Meow. Did you guess right? Let's have a look. That's right. It was Harvey. Well, it wasn't really Harvey, it was me, because Harvey doesn't make very much noise at the minute because he's asleep. But it was just me going meow. But I think you'll have guessed it was a cat. Night night, Harvey. I wonder what this sound is. Are you listening? It's coming. Did you guess? Let's have a look. That's right. It's the telephone. Well done if you guessed right. I wonder what this sound's going to be. Are you listening? Did you guess right? Did you? Did you guess it was a doorbell? Well done if you did.